VXRT stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Vaxart stock 20% up. That's how much it's gone up. $20, 20.20. That's it. And the whole week's performance, let's see, this was 17% up. I was very open beforehand, like too long as though I got my rules mapped, but I didn't, and that's why we kind of kept going down, and now it's kind of starting to pick up eventually yet again. Now that doesn't mean that I'm gonna do anything crazy, you know. I'll still be kind of chill. Like I saw the price break the lowest here, it's coming down from this supply, so more likely than not, as we reach the supply area and whatnot, we might shift lower. But like if there's a double break, then and only then I'll short. Everything else, pure noise. So that's how VXRT looks like. So I'll keep waiting for sure. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.